welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, you wanna learn the Weeknd's I Feel It Coming? Great choice, perhaps you felt this song coming. And I'm gonna teach you how to play it. So, first of all, we're gonna need a capo here on the 3rd fret, so use it and put it right there. And we're gonna use 5 chords for this song. And I also want to show you the intro that I played here. I think it's a good effect to have intros sometimes, so just for people to recognize the song. It gives a good touch to it. So I'm going to show you this short intro as well. So if we start with the chords, we have pretty basic chords. It's the E minor, it's the A minor, and then comes F major and C major. We also have one chord I like to have in this song. It's D minor 7. Many play it maybe with just the D minor. I like the D minor 7 because it's a bit softer, so it gives a softer touch to this song. And it's like this. I hold it bar these 2 strings and just put it like that. So that are the chords, and I'm gonna show you this intro first, and I'm gonna divide it into 4 parts because it's based on the first 4 chords, and so it's easier for you to follow me there. The intro starts based on the E minor chord, and you pluck you hold it like this, E minor, and you pluck the 6th and 2nd string together, and then you land on the 2nd string 3rd fret as the 2nd note there. So it sounds like this. And that's the whole thing for E minor. On the A minor part, you just hold the A minor chord and you pluck all strings together from the 2nd to the 5th string. So 5, 4, 3 and 2, and you pluck it all together like this. So together, it sounds like this. And then we go on to the F major chord. There you put your finger on the 6th string, 1st fret, and you pluck it together with the open 3rd string. So then you go to the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and open 3rd string again, and the 4th string, 3rd fret, and that's the whole part for the F chord. It sounds like this together. And the final part for the C major chord, you play on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and you play the open 4th string together, and you put your finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, and open 4th string, and back to the 3rd fret of 5th string, and then comes the strumming pattern with the chords. So all in all, the intro sounds like this. So that's for the intro. Now let's go to the verse and pre-chorus and the chorus. It's basically the same progression there. It's the E minor, A minor, F major, and C major. For the pre-chorus, it changes just a bit, because this is the progression for the verse and the chorus. The pre-chorus is A minor, E minor, and here comes the D minor 7 and the C. For the strumming pattern, you can choose to play however you want. I prefer this way that I'm gonna show you right now. And it sounds like this in a normal tempo. So if we slow it down a bit, it's like bass down and then down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. So I hope you felt that is for your help. You can choose, of course, whatever pattern you want to play for the strumming pattern. It's up to you. I prefer this way and it works. People know this song. So I hope you see you next time. Please leave a comment if you like this, or just leave a comment if you wish for any new music in the future. We'll build this channel together. And I hope you see you soon. Bye.